So Hoi An is famous for its paper lanterns, but also ancient houses and beautiful little streets to just lose yourself in, as you can see with all the plants and the trees growing over them. Look at that. I'm in Hoi An in Vietnam, and as well as tailoring, they make apparently really good leather shoes. So my friends and I are in here. We've all ordered shoes. So the minimum we've ordered is 2 pairs. Oh, how cute is that? There's a little puppy, look at that. Hello. So beautiful. Oh, and a puppy to boot. Doesn't get any better than that on a morning. So I've ordered a pair of shoes like this in quality leather. Ooh, that's the second time I've dropped them through that crack. And I've ordered another pair of sandals. And I've ordered a bag, not in that colour.
Today 22. I think you come, if I believe 1 pair or 2 pair, you come tomorrow night. Or you try on how to feel.
We're trying them on tomorrow night, see how they feel, and they could be ready in 3 days. So the shoes cost, depending on the quality of the leather, the shoes I've ordered are, one pair is $20 US, one pair is $35 US. Made to measure. And the bag, how much is the bag? 75 US dollars.
Yes.
$75 US for a bag like this, in this leather. I think they'll be great. Yes, so that's our Hoi An experience with a teeny puppy. Are we happy, ladies?
Very happy. My shoe.
Your shoes, yes. What's your shoe shop called?
Khánh Lợi. Khánh Lợi.
Khánh Lợi.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. She's lovely. Very good saleswoman.
Very helpful lady. And you very special customer.
We are very special.
Very friendly. Yes.
Thank you. So I was a little excited there, so if you didn't get any of that. Hoi An is where you often come for tailoring, and we're going to get some clothes made. So we have with us some styles of dresses that we like, and I'll film a little bit of that as well. But apparently they're also famous for leather shoes, and they literally make them to measure. So I have very big feet, and I'm generally quite tall. And so she measured all around my feet, and so they should be made to measure. And we're due to come back at 8:30 tomorrow night, where she's going to adjust them. So if they're too big or too small anywhere, she's going to adjust them. And it all depends on the quality of the leather you choose. So the cheapest leather or suede was $10 for a pair. The sandals that I'll probably just wear in evenings, I got some of the cheaper suede, which was $20 for a pair. And then the other sandals, which I think are going to be really valuable for me. I'm going to get, hello again. We will, we're going now. The other pair I think are going to be really comfortable. I've got in the good quality leather, which she says becomes really soft. It's buffalo leather. It becomes really soft with wear, and it is also waterproof. So they're $35 a pair. And then the bag which I chose, which you can have made to measure, I asked her to do the strap a little bit wider, and to put some pockets inside, which they can do. That was $75. Something to be aware of in Hoi An, which we've already found, is that everybody's a tailor. They're very famous for their tailoring, very quick and very high quality. But it means that everybody tells you about the tailor shop that they have. We looked in Lonely Planet, we've got some recommendations, and also been asking everybody for recommendations, and they've said a big shop on the corner. But it's up to you, and obviously I'll report back on the experience. But pretty excited so far. So here I am in this amazing tailor's shop called BB's in Hoi An. I'm here with my friends. I've basically just been measured up to have I've ordered 2 dresses and a pair of shorts. They're going to be made to measure, which I've never had before in my life. And so we're coming back to get a check on them, I think, in a couple of days. But you can basically go on the internet, choose anything you want, or bring something in. So I brought 1 dress in, and they're going to copy that. I asked for another dress, and we kind of like found the right style for me. It's like a smocky dress. And then just looking for a dress, I found this amazing pair of linen shorts. So I've ordered them too. I feel we're in good hands because the whole place is huge. There is so much that you can choose from. So I'm kind of excited because I'm an unusual shape. And so being able to get something that fits me potentially like a glove is an amazing opportunity. So look at all this place, look at this place. So obviously when we get the fittings and when I get the clothes, I'll report back on that as well. Very exciting. Hi, I'm in Hoi An. in Vietnam. We're about to go on a little tour around some of the ancient houses in the old town. Just bought tickets from the booth. It's up there on the corner. 60,000 Vietnamese dong for a ticket, and they give you a map as well. That's about £2, and apparently you can choose 5 locations to visit for that. So we'll see what we can find. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up or press the red button to subscribe or the bell to get a notification every Friday when I post a new travel video on Sue Where Why What. Thanks a lot for joining me. So this is the Tan Khai house. This is the first one we visited. An ancient house, I think it's 200 years old, with architecture from the Chinese, Japanese and Vietnamese. I think it's 13 generations of the same family lived in here, and they still do, but they're up on the second floor. And here you can see, because we're right next to the river, it's flooded numerous times, sometimes kind of like right up to here. It's beautiful. Rainy season in Hoi An. And behind me here is the Japanese bridge in Hoi An. A bit sad actually, because we're leaving Hoi An tomorrow. I was hoping to be able to show you more of the ancient houses, but basically Hoi An is going to be in the eye of a tropical storm slash cyclone tomorrow, slash the day after, and we've heard that the winds could be up to 140 miles per hour. So we've managed to change our flights to leave beforehand, so a little bit sad. Really wanted to see more of the ancient houses, but I've certainly made the most of my time in Hoi An. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. and I will definitely be back, and I hope you will be too.